Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California. We have over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, saws, lathes, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a nice lathe that just came in. This is a, what size is this? A 14 by 40. It has a collet closure. It has 22-inch swing within the gap. Here's this gap right here. This whole section comes out of the machine. You can put the faceplate that comes with it. Put that on here and you can swing a large piece up to 22 inches over about 7-8 inches right here. Comes with a 4-way tool post, and it also has a nice Southwestern Industries 2-axis digital readout and a 3 and a 4-jaw chuck. Go ahead and start the machine. Everything runs great on the machine, no problems with it. Nice and smooth. There you can see we're in threading mode. Also notice the X-axis on the DRO is moving. Right now we're feeding. It's going pretty slow. Kind of hard to tell, but it's a slow feed. And we'll also feed in. You just pull this knob right here and it'll feed in. You notice the dial's moving. And it's real easy to switch back and forth from the cross feed to the table feed. We'll go ahead and change some speeds on it for you. There's a slower speed, that's at 35 RPM right there. This has inch and metric threads available. Here's all the different knobs for switching your different feeds and speeds. Everything runs on the machine. It's fully functional and ready to go. If you're interested in this lathe or any different size lathe, we carry all types. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.